Hey guys, what's up? You are in my kitchen, and for the last time, maybe you'll be in this kitchen because I am moving to Atlanta. So this is the last time I'll probably film in my Miami kitchen. But good news is I have something awesome for you guys. Or it's not that awesome, but it is a very simple side dish meal that is perfect for the holiday coming up, Thanksgiving or Christmas or whatever holiday you're celebrating. So I have some side dishes because side dishes are a lot easier to maintain than your main dishes. Okay, so we will be making a dish from Damn Delicious. I love that, Damn Delicious. We're making Brussels sprouts and sweet potato stuffed with marshmallows and candied pecans. So I am really excited because it only needs one pan. All right, one pan, that's all you need, and a microwave and an oven. So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is preheat my oven to 425 degrees before I do anything, because that's gonna take a while. My sweet potatoes are already washed and ready to go, but I'm going to start on my Brussels sprouts. I just rinsed them off, so I'm just going to put them all right about here. Ooh. And I'm just gonna cut them in half. Boom. Last Brussels sprout to cut, and hiya. Now it is time to put, well, I guess all of them go in the little bowl here. Why am I out of breath? Like, anyway, all right, so then the recipe calls for, you know, it's measuring, but I just figured I just kind of just eyeball this, you know what I mean? Because I don't feel like really doing math. So it says to add some olive oil. And then it also says to add soy sauce, but instead of using soy sauce because it has so much sodium, I'm gonna use an alternative, which is the Bragg's liquid aminos. Let's give this a little shake-a-do and see if we can, there we go. Oh, that looks nice. Really nice little coating. You can see that, it's really pretty. Toss this up really nicely. Oh, lost the Brussels sprouts, no big deal. So this looks pretty good. I may spray just a little, smells good, a little bit more just for caramelization and color purposes. I might end up putting this in my hair. It also calls for honey to do like a nice caramelization of the Brussels sprouts, but instead of doing honey, I have agave, and it looks like I am running low, so I hope I don't need a lot. So I'm just gonna pour some agave on here. And we're just gonna toss the Brussels sprouts. Oh, damn, I keep losing Brussels sprouts. By the time I'm finished with this, I'll probably have like 2 Brussels sprouts on this dang on pan. I also remember, I'm doing this from memory, it said to lightly coat the pan. So just kind of spray that around, spread it around. I almost lost my whole bowl of Brussels sprouts. Put the Brussels sprouts and all the concoction that I've made in there. All right, this is good. I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 20 minutes. All right, so the next side dish item on the menu are these sweet potatoes stuffed with the butter pecan toffee thingies and butter and something else. I'm lost. And what am I doing? Okay, hang on. First order of business is we need to make little holes in the sweet potato and then put it in the microwave for about 8 to 10 minutes. And that's how I'm cooking my sweet potatoes, okay? You got a problem with that? At least that's how the recipe told me how to do it anyway. So blame Damn Delicious, okay? All right, so little tiny little soft, gentle jabs in your sweet potato. Okay, So now that you've gently put holes inside of your sweet potato, now it's time to put it in the microwave for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so while my potatoes are baking in the microwave, I'm gonna start prepping for the insertion of the potato. It ain't cooking unless you're making a mess. So I'm gonna put my chopped nuts into, I don't know why I'm so immature, my chopped nuts into this little Tupperware until my potato is ready. I'm gonna check on my Brussels sprouts because I think it's time to kind of like turn them around. As I was scrolling on Instagram, I hope I did not burn them. Oh my God, hot. Oh, perfect, all right. So actually, they are looking pretty good. They're nice and crispy on the outside, got some coloring going on. Flip them around, stir them. That way they can get crispy on all sides. I'm going to put these back in the oven on the lower rack. So these are gonna go in for 10 more minutes. And then at the 5-minute mark, I'm gonna scooch it over and then put my sweet potatoes on the other half of the pan. All right, so now that our sweet potatoes are done, we are going to split them right down the middle, stuff them with butter, stuff them with the pecans, maybe a little bit of cinnamon, and then we're gonna add some marshmallows on top. Pop these in the oven for 5 minutes to get the marshmallows nice and toasty. Oh, these are perfectly like cooked, because you know, I'm a great baker, you know, that's just how I roll. Just, ooh, oh, that looks really pretty. Hello there, potato. Okay, you want to be difficult, huh? Or you want to be them difficult potatoes. I'm just a little sweet potato and I just want to get to know you. We're gonna add some butter right down. I'm using a lot of butter like Paula Deen. Oh, I didn't grab my cinnamon. I used to know a girl named Cinnamon. Cinnamon was nice. Boom, dusted very nicely. It looks like I know what I'm doing. Add these little toffee things. I'm gonna just smash it down in there. Add some marshmallows right on top. Right on top of sweet potatoes. Guess I'll take these Brussels sprouts out. Oh my, clearly those are done. Put the sweet potatoes in a separate pan so I don't overkill my Brussels sprouts even more. And 1 and 2. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 5 minutes on the lower rack, because clearly the lower rack is still heating high. All right, Brussels sprouts are done. Let's just taste one to see, you know, what we accomplished so far. These are perfectly cooked. I may have thought I accidentally burnt them, but actually it's just the caramelization from the agave in addition with the coloring of the, what was it? The amino acids. Ooh, them. So I just took a peek inside the oven for the sweet potatoes and the marshmallow. It is looking divine. Maybe I could drink wine while I wait. That's a good idea. Paul Hobbs 2012 Cabernet Sauvignon. It's from Napa Valley. It's red wine. That's not good. I done had this wine sitting open far too long and I think there is mold sitting on top. So we will not be drinking wine tonight. There's always a will when there's a way. Or there's always a way when there's a will. What's a holiday without alcohol and family? Cheers to 2020, my move to Atlanta, and a lot of other stuff that I ain't gonna say on camera. Cheers. Oh damn, that's good. Perfect timing. Ooh. These look amazing. Okay, there we go. Brussels on the side here. The sweet potato, the marshmallow, and that toffee. Oh. That's damn delicious. Now look, I know I done said damn delicious about 13 times now, but that's damn delicious. It tastes like a sweet potato pie without all the extra work. The sweet potato was very quick and easy to do. So overall, this meal really just took about 30 minutes to cook. Preparation would be a lot quicker if you ain't filming. I'm gonna continue eating because this is actually really good. And I got nothing else to say other than happy holidays and happy Thanksgiving and something else and yada yada and whatever you want to hear to make your day great. Until next time, until we meet again, thank you for watching me in the kitchen, and give it a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know what other recipes you want to see me cook, because clearly I am getting the hang of this. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.